Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. I'm so glad that you guys are here again. Unbelievable. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me your time. I'm going to give you everything I can about Python so that way you guys become the best ones, the best developers ever. Anyway, let's go ahead and continue with this. And we already have some of this creation stuff going on here. What we need here now is to update some of these contacts. So when I click here, I want to see some type of edit form or something, right? So let's go and create this first. So let's do BP, right? The blueprint dot what? Get. That's right. It's going to be a get request to edit, actually to render the template. And at the same time, we're going to render some of the data that's for the contact, so we can edit, we can update it, right? So yeah, contacts, and then we're gonna do the less than symbol in int, representing an integer that's gonna come in here, and we're gonna name it contact ID just because I like it. All right, and also we're gonna have edit. So this is how you can, in the URL have parameters. All right, you defined what it is. In this case, it was always gonna be an ID, so we're gonna put int to typecast this, to cast it into an integer. That way our route is actually really good at this point because it's getting the right data, right? So let's call this edit contact. There we go. And here, of course, is gonna take a contact ID. And we already say it was gonna be an integer, so let's go ahead and do that as well there. Let me see here what's going on here. Nothing to worry here. This is just because I haven't finished writing this down. All right. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get the contact out from the database, right? So we'll use the contact model here, and we're gonna do a query. And let me see what I'm gonna do. Instead of doing get, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do get or 404. Simple as that. Just like that. And let's pass in the ID. And now what we can do is we can return the template and go ahead into your files that you're supposed to download in the description of the video. You're always supposed to be looking at the description of the video. I might have new files, I might have some information. Always make sure that you are looking into the description, all right? So once we get the contact from the database, we're gonna pass it into the template, all right? And this is what we're gonna be calling it in the other side, all right? All right. Now, make sure that you get the edit. So in templates, go ahead and create a file called edit.html, all right? So from my files that I got, that I'm giving you also in the description, I'm gonna paste that edit contact in there, all right? That code. And this is how it looks. So it's very similar to the create form, right? To the new .html. As a matter of fact, I think it's identical. Yeah. And this is submitting a post request, and it's submitting it to the same edit.html. We're gonna work on it very similarly to what we did with with creating contacts, all right? And updating it. All right, so let's go in here, and if we click here, nothing happens because that link is probably not working. So let's go into index. So let me just take all this out in here, and let's go in and see what's going on here. So we can see now that, yeah, there's nothing going on in that edit here. We got action, but there is only a spam here. We need a link. Let's build that anchor tag right here. I'm just gonna take that spam and replace it with this, right? And yeah, let's go and let's actually work on the href here. And let's do a URL for, right there. And we're gonna do main edit contact, just like that. Is that what we called it? I think it was called edit only. Let me double check it just in case. It is called edit content. I was right. One of my brains, because I got two brains, guys, believe it or not. There's one brain that always says something and the other one says something else. Yeah. So yeah, it's right. But we need to pass it the ID, right? I mean, think about it. The ID is what we need in here. So what is the ID that we need to pass it? See what? And how are we taking it? It's called contact ID, right? And how is it going, how is it going in? Guys, tell me. If you say CID, C.ID, you're right. Remember, we're getting the contact from the database here. We're getting the name, the email, and the phone. And here we are waiting for the contact ID in routes, actually. All right, we're waiting. Where is this? Right here. We're waiting for the contact ID. This is the parameter name. All right, that's what we're waiting for. So that's contact ID. And here we just do C.ID. Very, very simple. Okay. So let's go back in here. Let's refresh. And yeah, I could not build endpoint main. Oh, is main dot. Sorry about that. There we go. And now if we click here, you can see now that took us to the edit page, but with the name of Rosita. Unbelievable. And if we click cancel, it will go back because we have a link there that takes us back to home. Click there. Nice. Look at that. We're not going to edit TPM. We're going to edit Rosita. Rosita is going to come and work for us in the TPM office. All right? All right, guys. Anyway, we're done with this. Thank you so much for watching. Give every video you watch a like so I can keep making more, so I can wake up and see and get motivated and keep making some videos for you guys. We're going to jump into really advanced Python stuff in the future, but you need to study this basic fundamental stuff first. All right? I'll see you guys on the next lectures.